Here's the latest on the winter weather that's moving through the region early this Wednesday morning. Regional radar data at 2:30 this morning continues to show a band of light to moderate snow anchored from mid-Missouri into the Quincy and Hannibal areas. This entire area is moving to the east-northeast, so the accumulating snow in mid-Missouri should be winding down fairly rapidly here over the next few hours, and the accumulating snow in the Quincy and Hannibal areas should be diminishing fairly rapidly by around 6 a.m. In St. Louis area, we've had a bit of a lull in the snowfall during the pre-dawn hours. However, this area will be clipping the St. Louis area and could give us another shot of accumulating snow around a 1/2 inch or so by around daybreak. As of midnight, snowfalls were in the 7 to 8 inch range in a broad area from just north of the St. Louis metro area to around the Moberly and Macon areas, and we've had one report now around 11 inches in the Hannibal area. There was a minima in snowfall from St. Louis City into the eastern Ozarks, and then a second area of rather heavy snow over our far southeast counties that extended from around Sparta to around Salem, Illinois. And once again, it looks like any additional accumulations over the southeast half of our area will be quite minor, generally under a 1/2 inch, with perhaps another inch of snow in the Quincy and Hannibal areas before the snow winds down around daybreak. It should be mentioned that even though the snow will be winding down across the area early this morning, travel conditions will remain very hazardous, and due to an increase in winds, there probably will be some blowing and drifting over the region as well. For the latest road conditions, you can check out these websites sponsored by the Missouri Department of Transportation and by the Illinois Department of Transportation, or call the numbers listed at the bottom of the screen. For additional forecast information and for the latest radar data, you can check out our website, www.weather.gov/St. Louis. You can also find us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.